All right, so my last type of problems were the rotational, symmetry, line symmetry, all of that. So here's what we have. Remember that point symmetry, we're thinking, is it upside down the same? Rotational, we're saying, can I rotate it at any degree and have it map onto itself, so have it be the same? And then line is, can I fold it in half and would it be the same? So with one like number 10, if you imagine yourself, if I fold this paper in half, would it be a perfect match? And the answer is no, it wouldn't. So this curve would kind of go above that curve and it would not be a perfect match. However, if I take this and I rotate it upside down, so if you imagine this rotating upside down, it actually would be a match. So this would have point symmetry. And when something has point symmetry, it automatically also has rotational symmetry. So that has point and rotational symmetry. Now for 11, I could fold this in half and it would be a perfect match. It would map onto itself. If I rotate this upside down, you can see how this looks the same top to bottom. So this would have point symmetry, and then that means it would also have rotational symmetry. And number 12, folding it in half, no. So I can't really fold it in half anyway to make it a perfect match. So that means it does not have line symmetry. However, if I rotate this upside down, so if you imagine rotating this upside down, this arrow would kind of be right over here where this one is. So it would be actually a map or a match. So it would map onto itself. So it would be point symmetry, which means it would also be rotational symmetry. Now with number 13, you can imagine folding this in half. So right down the center, okay? And it would be the same on each side. So that actually has line symmetry. However, if we rotate this upside down, this arrow would be facing down this way and it wouldn't be a map or a match. So it does not map onto itself. So it does not have point symmetry. And if I try to think about, so it's a little bit, abstract to just think about, but if you're rotating this, trying to get it to be a perfect match, if we rotate this anyway, really, we're going to have, say, the arrow facing this way, facing down, facing this way, and you would not end up with a perfect match. So it only has line symmetry.